my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Notion versus Coda, and I'm going to tell you which one's better and why. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So here you can see that I have opened Notion versus Coda, both the interfaces. No matter what your industry, project management is essential. With project management software, you can help yourself or your team members become more productive and profitable. Coda and Notion are two highly rated project management solutions you might consider. At first glance, there are many similarities between them, but as you dive deep into each option, you'll find several noteworthy differences. We have created this in-depth comparison to help you decide between these two systems. So let's get started. Coda versus Notion. Notion has been prevalent for a number of years, while Coda is a newer player in the world of project management software. Both solutions were designed to bring together structured data and long-form documents so that individuals and teams can work more efficiently. Coda's strength lies in content creation and document organization. It can come in handy if you frequently design and use personal web pages, knowledge management journals, and wiki-style documents. While Coda isn't as simple and straightforward as Notion, it involves more advanced database formulas and automations. Now, if you talk about the free plan, if you would like to try out Coda or Notion, you're in luck because both situations offer a free plan. Coda's free plan, however, is quite restrictive. Even if you're a solopreneur or individual user, you'll only be able to create documents with up to 1,000 rows and 50 objects and only have access to a select number of free packs of integrations. Notion's free plan, however, is far more appealing. It comes with unlimited pages and blogs and gives you unlimited access to its public API. You may also add up to 10 guests to collaborate and access version history for up to 7 days. If I talk about ease of use, compared to Coda, Notion is very user-friendly. It has an intuitive minimalist design and thoughtfully created templates that you can easily figure out. Even if you don't consider yourself tech-savvy, Coda, on the other hand, may require a learning curve and might seem overwhelming at first. After a while, you should be able to get the hang of Coda and take full advantage of its powerful database capabilities and other features. When it comes to community, Notion is the clear winner. Its community is made up of dedicated users who are willing to answer questions, share advice, and help one another. Some people have even created businesses to teach people how to make the most out of Notion. Notion also offers local groups and virtual hangout places, webinars, and consultants you can enjoy. While Coda does not have a forum users used to share templates and reviews, its community is less active and exciting than Notion's. Note-taking and knowledge base. Since Notion began as note-taking tool, it's no surprise that it stands out for its note-taking and knowledge base capabilities. It's ideal for collaborating on long-form content and can come in handy if you would like to take detailed notes or create wiki pages for your businesses. Along with Notion, Coda works similar to Google Docs and allows you to start typing and collaborate with other commenters and editors. But it's less intuitive and runs a bit slower, especially if you have to jump between documents. Database and formulas. Coda takes the cake with its database or tables. Unlike Notion, Coda lets you embed forms on websites, sync with databases, and pull information from multiple databases. Its formulas are simple to a coding language, making them easier to understand than Notion's. Databases are usually the center of a Coda workspace, so the company has spent more time making its table as powerful as possible. If I talk about templates, in the Notion template gallery, you will find templates across 18 categories, including sales and HR, as well as templates from leading companies such as Buffer. Notion's community actually creates most of its templates, so there are new options available regularly. With a Notion template, you don't have to start from scratch. Instead, you can drag and drop in a template document and get to work. Coda's template gallery is also impressive as it offers hundreds of templates across categories such as task tracking and recipes. Coda also showcases templates from Rahul Vohra, Reid Hoffman, and other tech celebrities. If I talk about integrations, there are a good chance you can use other software to keep your business running smoothly. That's where integrations come in. While Notion's widgets are useful, Coda's pack come out ahead. They can allow you to integrate with other apps and pull their data directly into Coda. For example, you can easily embed your Google Calendar into Coda. Note that the free plan limits how many packs you can use, but the paid plans allow you to access a variety of free and pro packs. So let's talk about cost of Coda versus Notion. For that, I'm going to go to the pricing section of both. When you initially compare the pricing of Coda and Notion, you might think Notion is the more affordable choice, but Notion charges per user while Coda charges per doc maker, even though it's more expensive. For this reason, Coda's pricing structure is likely a better option if you're a larger organization and want an unlimited number of users to use, edit, and view documents created by a paid user. Here's an overview of the cost of each Coda and Notion plan. So here you can see that Coda offers a free plan, a pro plan, a team plan, and an enterprise plan. The free one is free for your entire team. The pro one's placed for $10 per month per doc maker if billed annually. And the team one's priced for $30 per month per doc maker if billed annually. And for the enterprise one, you can custom pricing upon request. While if we go to Notion, Notion has a free plan and it's free for individuals. And the plus one is priced for $8 per user per month if billed annually. And the business plan is priced for $15 per user per month if billed annually. And then comes the enterprise plan over here that you can request custom pricing for by clicking over here. So the bottom line is your particular workflow and needs will dictate whether you should use Coda or Notion. If your team requires advanced databases, formulas, and automations, or you prefer to build your own productivity apps, Coda is likely your best bet. But if you're looking for a simpler documented-oriented tool for yourself as a solopreneur or for your small team, Notion is a solid pick. Don't hesitate to try both Coda and Notion for free so you can make the most informed decision. Coda is best for small businesses that would like to automate and build mini apps, larger team with a few document creators and many editors. Those with more database driven rather than text driven needs can use Coda. And Notion is best for solopreneurs, freelancers, or small teams who want to track their projects. Those who frequently create text-heavy documents can use Notion, and small businesses searching for a simple free plan to take notes, manage team, and organize workflows can use Notion. So that's all for Notion versus Coda. Please leave in the comment section which one would you go for. And thank you for staying with me and watching this video. If you need to see more videos like this, please leave in the comment section. See you again. Bye bye.